is my little love shack. Pretty much packing to be heading away, and I'm just buzzing. Every time I'm in here just packing, I'm like, yes, here we go. For this project, I picked 4 riders that I'd really like to go ride with, and I get the opportunity to go and stay with them for a week. I'm going to be filming like split edits with these guys. I've looked up to them for years, and like they're my favourite riders. It'd be good to meet the filmers as well, and just take it all in, soak it up. Here we go. It's going to be good and getting to go to all these different countries and just seeing all the different cultures and lifestyles. It's pretty amazing to be able to just ride with the best riders in the world. And the first stop's Toronto with Drew Besanzona, and I'm just buzzing, so yes, let's do it. I've never been to Toronto before. I'm always looking forward to seeing new places and stuff like that when I go on trips. That is unbelievable how big it is. Cannot wait to get out, like, just ride. That's it. Finally. First thoughts on Toronto. The place was huge. As soon as we landed here, it was sunny, which I was expecting snow for some reason. I just think it snows all the time.
Cruising around here, there used to be like this sick double bank, but they put grass in it.
Yeah.
But if you cook it, you can do some shit on it.
Sick.
I was thinking about dropping in on it, so already called that. Do it.
Listen, man, well, thanks a lot for sorting.
No worries, man. No worries.
Really appreciate it, man.
Yeah. Cool.
Sick.
There you go, man.
Socks are looking good. We're just about to head to Joyride to meet up with Drew. It's just completely different compared to like most riders. He does like, pretty much he goes higher than everyone else. He's not scared to do stuff. He's got kind of like an old school style. To ride with someone new, it's always a real eye-opener. There's always something you pick up on, whether it's a little line or even a big trick. It's definitely a good experience. All that stuff looks so much fun. It's so buzzing. It's just unbelievable. I cannot wait to ride this.
Hey, how's it going? Yes, sir. Good. Hell yeah.
Yeah, man, this looks unbelievable.
This is only a bit of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, the full skate park room is right over there. They got like a full street plaza over there. Pump tracks, everything.
Sick, man. Absolutely speechless, to be honest. Just watched Drew's new edit. I didn't even know what to say about it. I seriously didn't even know what to say. Like, I thought his last one was unbelievable. I didn't think he could top that, and he just went and done that one.
Yeah, it turned out pretty good.
Fuck.
A lot of late nights.
Yeah. I bet that was so scary.
Yeah.
Holy shit, man, that is seriously like, I don't even know.
Scary fun.
Man, I don't even know what you're playing at. That is insane. have a roll around just now.
Oh my God.
When I first got the email about this project of working with Kriss and bringing him over here to ride Joyride, I was really looking forward to it because I have a lot of fun with filming projects and I've watched a ton of Kriss's edits and I'm a fan of Kriss as well, and his riding style influences on how I ride a bike. Like, he's so creative when he rides a bike and he looks at stuff differently, and I feel like I do the same.
This stuff is just so massive and gnarly that you want to shoot it in a way that does it justice, and to do an edit that you can actually like see that and people can see how wild it is, you do get a kind of like a little appreciation out of that work. I had actually seen a lot of videos of Kriss all over the place in Europe, and I've just always been super impressed with his riding. It's really technical and wild at the same time.
Yeah, Justin knows like a ton of parks and like street spots that we're gonna go to today and stuff.
That'd be sick.
It's gonna be a warm day, isn't it?
Just brilliant. Nothing beats it, like driving for a while to the middle of nowhere. You don't even know what the park's going to be like or anything. And it's nice, the sun's out and there's some good little lines. What's on your lips? The legends could do it a bit longer.
Listen to this guy. I think people will be into this new video with Kriss and Drew. I mean, Kriss has his own unique style, so he's really done a lot of lines and things that haven't really been touched before. driving more out into the middle of nowhere, but in that middle of nowhere, there is a bridge you can jump off, and hopefully the water's not too cold.
It's gonna be free.
You got this.
No. I don't think you'll be getting back out of there if you go in.
Oh! Oh! No.
You are. You know what I'm gonna do is I might as well just fucking get over and done with it.
3, 2, 1 to go.
Oh! Oh no! That's too cold! Man, that's too cold! My dick's lost as well! Ah! You have no idea how bad that is!
You're like a doggy paddling.
Fuck! That was amazing! That was absolutely amazing! It's been an unbelievable trip, just the whole experience, coming to Toronto, seeing the place. And just everything we've done, like all the spots that we've hit. Getting to ride one of the best skate parks in the world, getting to ride with Drew. Man, they actually feel quite nice. I'm actually quite happy with these shorts, to be honest. I'm kind of gutted it's come to an end, but I definitely think I've learned stuff. Just riding with Drew, like we feed off each other, see him doing stuff, like even following him around doing lines and that. So yeah, it's definitely opened my eyes a lot coming over here, so hopefully the rest of the trips they took is this year I really want to just ride as hard as I can and yeah, just make the most of it and try and see what I'm capable of. Don't want it.
Whoa!